Welcome to Module 2, Chapter 3, Making the Pads. Learn to create short and long reusable pads, boosting your skills for the quiz. Materials: thin cotton, dark skin side, pale outside, pale absorbent fleece, 1.5 millimeters, soft plastic waterproof, Velcro, or snaps. Equipment: sewing overlock machines, scissors, thread, card templates, ruler, tape, chalk. Make templates: rectangle 20 by 30 centimeters, pie stack shape from appendix, absorbent 21 by 20 centimeters, pie 14 by 20 meters, 14 meters woe, wooden ruler 150 to 200 centimeters, corrector my 29 centimeters, calm. Cut, draw, or chalk lines 20 centimeters apart, join, mark rectangles, cut strips, stack, cut shorts. Repeat for all, more layers for plastic. Use pen if needed. Assemble. Fold absorbent. Once regular, twice high. Stitch to pink along longs. Stack plastic, blue on top. Stitch Velcro middle edge, hand turn wheel, edges, lock. Cut shape with template, chalk, scissors, outside if doubtful. Quality: absorbent hidden, seams locked or no holes or loose threads, layers fixed, Velcro secure, symmetrical, blue not too absorbent. Review handbook for templates/images, practice, quiz up.